So friends, today I'll show you what is a hill assist and how does it works in a Renault Duster. So let's begin quickly, and please subscribe my channel for most important thing if you are new. So first of all, you need to put it in a drive mode and release your brake. Now you can see that this area over here is 30 degree and behind that is approximately 20 degrees. So what I'll do, I'll put my car in this mode D, and a little bit I'll accelerate so that I'm on the inclination, and you can see that I'm on the inclination. Now once you're in the inclination mode, you need to leave the car like this and slowly it will go down, but it won't go quickly. It gives some time. It will hold. In that time you need to accelerate if you're wanting to go up, or you need to leave it as it is, and it will hold down for us 2 seconds like this. So friends, in the D mode, if the inclination is approximately less than 30 degrees, you don't have to put it in the parking mode. But what else if the inclination is more than 30 degrees? How will the car behave? Now let's do that. I'll put it in the neutral mode, and by default it will go down now, and I'm putting it in the B mode now. So my front wheels are at 20 degrees and the rear wheel is at 30 degrees, and the car is slightly going back as the backward motion is more because it has an inclination. But what is happening is it's not going suddenly in that direction, which would happen in a neutral case. And you can see that there is a thrust now. The car is resisting the backward motion, and whenever it comes beyond 25 degrees, what will happen? It will stop going in the back direction. That is what has happened just now. So this is how hill assist actually works. Now what is the solution? The solution is you need to accelerate if it's more than 30 degrees, something like this, and put a brake, put it in a D mode, from D to P mode, and you can see that now car is at more than 30 degrees and now it is in the P mode, the parking mode. Over here you can see the parking is showing parking, and now you are at an example is that you are at a hill. Now what you need to do is that you need to press the brake, the car will start, and D, and now again it will hold your car for another 2 to 3 seconds, and you can accelerate it and go up. That's how it works for the hill assist. Thank you.